Hello and welcome. I'm really glad you're here. Whether you're launching your first online brand or scaling your digital business, this channel is your go-to space for real-world strategies, honest insights, and practical tools designed to help entrepreneurs thrive in today's fast-moving digital world. And today we're diving deep into a topic that could completely shift the way you grow your brand online: how to master social media marketing for your online business, no matter where you're based. Now let me ask you, do you really think you know how to use Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to grow your business? Because here's the truth. Most businesses are only scratching the surface. They post occasionally, maybe boost a post here and there, hoping for results. But hope is not a strategy. The real power of social media, the kind that builds trust, drives consistent sales, and transforms small startups into serious brands, lies in the system, the strategy, and the execution. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact mindset and methods that are quietly delivering powerful results across diverse markets. Let's begin with the big picture. The global digital economy is exploding. What once felt like a side hustle is now a full-fledged movement. Whether you're selling through Shopify, running a store on regional marketplaces, or closing orders via WhatsApp and TikTok, you are part of this transformation. And it's not just massive brands winning. Solo creators, local shops, and home-based entrepreneurs are using social media to directly connect with customers and bypassing traditional advertising altogether. Here's something often overlooked: how your customers behave online in your specific region. In some cities, Instagram is king late at night. In others, Facebook still dominates the daily scroll. And in more rural or developing areas, trust matters more than visuals. People might buy because a cousin shared your post, not because your design was sleek. Most purchases still happen on mobile, often after short DMs or quick chat interactions. In some countries, cash on delivery remains crucial. So when building your sales funnel, remember to optimize for mobile, make your process frictionless, and keep your tone human, not robotic. Let's talk mindset. Before you even post, you need clarity on 3 things. 1. Who exactly are you trying to reach? 2. What result do you want from this post? Awareness, traffic, or conversions? And 3, what's your voice? Your brand isn't your logo. It's your tone, your personality, your values. If people don't connect with your energy within 5 seconds, they scroll away. And this holds true globally. From regional dialects to cultural tone, your audience connects to what feels real. That's why the most relatable creators show the chaos behind the scenes, small wins, and even failures. They don't try to look perfect. They just show up as themselves. Now let's talk platforms. Each one is its own universe. Facebook still works extremely well in many regions, especially among family buyers and slightly older demographics. But it's not just about your page anymore. Facebook groups, community engagement, and smart retargeting strategies matter more. When done right, a well-targeted Facebook ad campaign in just 3 or 4 key cities can outperform a massive national ad campaign at a fraction of the cost. I've seen it happen repeatedly in markets across Southeast Asia, Africa, and South America. Instagram is your brand's visual story. It's where clean design, consistency, and emotion drive attention. But don't worry, you don't need a high-end camera, just good lighting, clean framing, and storytelling. Instagram stories are your daily window into the brand. Share polls, behind-the-scenes clips, Q&As, and real customer reviews. And if you're not using Reels yet, start now. Reels can deliver powerful organic reach if they're short, emotional, and authentic. Also consider working with micro-influencers. Not celebrities, just people in your niche with 3,000 to 20,000 real followers. Their audience is often more engaged and loyal. TikTok is where attention lives. The algorithm doesn't care about your follower count. It cares about your content. You don't need a script or a studio. You need heart, timing, and creativity. Show your product being made. Respond to trending topics. Jump on viral sounds and remix them with your own voice. The brands that win here are raw, real, and reactive. They're fast, not flawless. So how do you keep up with all of this without burning out? You need a simple content system. Organize your brand into a few content pillars. Maybe education, product demos, lifestyle, testimonials, and fun content. Create a weekly content calendar. Use a Google Sheet. Batch produce your content. Film 5 reels at once. Write 7 captions in 1 hour. This turns chaos into consistency. And consistency builds trust, which builds sales. Here's a golden tip for solo founders and small teams. Use AI tools. You don't need a full agency. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm or write captions. Use Canva for designs. Use Meta Business Suite for scheduling posts. Clipchamp or CapCut for simple, professional-looking edits. These tools help you look and perform like a full marketing team, even if you're running it all from your bedroom. Don't forget about messaging platforms, especially WhatsApp. It's one of the most powerful, underused business tools in the world. Set up WhatsApp Business with quick replies, product catalogs, and auto responses. Use click to WhatsApp buttons on your Instagram and Facebook ads. This eliminates friction. It gets people talking to you faster, and faster conversations lead to faster sales. You can even use broadcast lists to stay in touch with previous customers without relying on email marketing or social media posts. Now let's zoom out. Think of social media as a funnel. Awareness at the top, trust in the middle, and conversion at the bottom. Most businesses jump straight to selling. That's like proposing on the first date. Slow down, entertain, and educate first. Build trust with proof and personality, and only then invite people to take action. Whether it's an offer, a product, or a message. Let's talk about engagement. Social media algorithms don't reward follower count. They reward attention. Comments, likes, DMs, saves, shares, that's what matters. Are you showing up consistently? Are you replying, asking questions, being present? Even when you're not running a promo, people want to buy from people, from brands that feel human. Be that brand, show up, say thank you, go live, be real. This won't work without tracking. Use platform insights to understand what's working and what's wasting your time. Track views, saves, comments, link clicks, and sales. Don't guess. Learn and adapt. Double down on what gets results. Let go of what doesn't. Even a basic spreadsheet is enough if you update it weekly. Once you're ready to grow beyond organic reach, start with paid ads. You don't need a huge budget. Run story ads, test 2 versions of a reel, retarget people who viewed your content or clicked your website. In many countries, paid reach is still far cheaper than traditional media. Take advantage while you can. And if you really want to scale, collaborate. Partner with local influencers, team up with complementary brands, co-host Instagram Lives, cross-promote giveaways. Collaboration unlocks 10x exposure at zero cost. And here's the truth. Community is more powerful than competition, no matter where you live. But I'll leave you with this. Social media is not easy. It's a long game. You don't need to post daily. You don't need to follow every trend. And you definitely don't need to compare yourself to influencers with massive budgets and big teams. Focus on your lane. Serve your audience. Be authentic. Take breaks when needed. Longevity matters more than likes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video gave you clarity, strategy, and energy to grow your brand, wherever you're building it. If it helped, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more real content made for creators and entrepreneurs around the world. Your support helps this community grow. And hey, drop a comment below with your biggest takeaway, a question, or even your Instagram or TikTok handle. I'd love to check it out, and so would other creators here. Until next time, stay consistent, stay creative, and as always, keep building.